Alex URL says, advice on getting clients for ManyChat Agency. If you go to this website right here, which is agmagency.com, and you go to this section over here that says case studies. This is what I would advise you to do. How do you get clients? How do I get clients? I created case studies because nobody's going to believe in you unless you have walked the talk already, meaning that you have something that you have done already on the ManyChat side that will actually prove that you're good at it. So if you go in here and you click on case studies, you'll get an example of what these case studies are all about. Right now, if you log into ManyChat.com and if you go to success stories, one of the case studies in there is going to be the case study from one of the biggest messenger channels on planet Earth, which is Dr. Eric Berg's messenger channels. If you guys want to check that out, you'll get an idea about something that you have to create so you can get credibility. If you don't build your own roadmap along the way, if you don't show people how you're good at it, you will not be able to get clients because somebody's going to ask you, well, what are you going to do for me? And then they're going to ask you, well, have you done it before? So I would tell you that you got to create 1 or 2 projects that you do pro bono for free, and maybe you have them pay you some of the resources that you're using or whatever, and build out some bots, and then you can start using this as case studies. But at the same time, you can start talking in social media about your expertise. Talk, and spreading the word and giving people advice, which will eventually, like me, lead towards people wanting to hire your company. That's what I would do.